Unlock the power of brand authenticity with one object, one identity in your cooking oil packaging. Imagine a world where every bottle of cooking oil tells its own unique story. This is the promise of one object, one identity. By embedding smart technology into your packaging, each product gains a distinct digital identity. It's not just oil, it's a story waiting to be told. This innovation revolutionizes how consumers interact with your brand. They can trace the oil's journey from farm to kitchen, ensuring authenticity and quality. In a market flooded with options, your brand stands out. Customers aren't just buying oil, they're investing in trust and transparency. Counterfeit goods? A thing of the past. With one object, one identity, your brand is protected, ensuring customers get the genuine article every time. Imagine the analytics and insights you'll gain. Understanding how each bottle moves and where it ends up delivers unparalleled market intelligence. Implementing one object, one identity isn't just a step forward. It's a leap into the future of brand loyalty and consumer trust. Let's make every drop count.